I want to believe you.
I swear I did miss my flight, and then when I missed my flight, I booked it.
But what good is that story now after you've already lied? You have lacking credibility, Ruben. Do you understand? Like, the credibility is waning here.
Mm-hmm.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is Sheriff Alex Villanueva. I am speaking to you from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major emergencies. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what has happened in emergencies and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system warning or alert, you should immediately tune to one of those radio or TV stations. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
I better FaceTime all night so you see this is me.
Right, sleep with it on
like,
FaceTime.
Sleep with it on FaceTime.
Yeah.
I would, right? That's what you got to do. 102.7 KIIS-FM.
KIIS-FM. With the Starbucks app,